Hello, everyone, and welcome to week one. For being the first week of class, there's really a lot going on. So just want to talk real briefly about the agenda for this week, for week one. Again, it's posted in the weekly modules, so you should be able to follow along. First thing to do, again, class starts on Monday, August 20th. And again, a lot to do first week. First off, each class will have a discussion board post. And again, every week I will post a series of questions for the discussion board that you'll be required to answer. And again, your syllabus goes over the amount of words you need and the description of what you need to do. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you do have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Again, I know the first couple of posts can be a little scary, but I promise you'll do great. And again, please don't hesitate to ask me if you have questions. The initial post will be due by Wednesday, August 22nd at 11:59, so the end of the day. And again, I will post those questions early on Monday, so you have a couple days to respond, and then you'll have a couple additional times you'll need to respond before Sunday night. There are two required readings for the first week. The first is in the course packet, which is the Organizations' Open System, which is pages 1 through 12, so make sure you read those. Additionally, in the APA manual, you'll want to cover chapters 1 and 7 in the manual. And again, I know some of this can be kind of some very dense reading, and it's not the most exciting thing you're ever going to read, but again, I think if you really pay attention and you really give it some thought, you'll realize how valuable this actually will be for you. On the web page, there is a tab on lectures and resources in the folder below, so make sure you click and read all those lectures and resources. Again, primarily PowerPoints and some additional information you'll need to know. And again, your initial reply to this discussion board question, as I mentioned, is actually going to be on Thursday. Your introductory discussion will be due on Wednesday. That's just kind of introducing yourself to the class. And then on Thursday will be your first full discussion board post. As I mentioned in the intro, you're going to be researching a Fortune 500 company this term, and again, much more details to come later, but you want to start thinking about a company that really interests you and that you want to research. So you can just send me an email, Lacy, Lacyjk, I messed that up. I apologize. That's my old email address. My new SLU email address is justin.lacy@slu.edu. You'll want to submit your Fortune 500 company for approval before on Friday, August 24th by noon. And again, as I mentioned with those posts, you have to respond to 2 of your peers in class on 3 separate days. And again, the details are in your course packet. And again, all those are due by Sunday night. We do have a worksheet due this week on open systems. You remember me talking about open systems in the very beginning, that we're going to be talking about that throughout the semester. So that open systems worksheet will be posted, and that'll be due by Sunday, August 26th. And then you'll have a quiz, your first quiz, that's going to be due on August 26th by 11:59 as well. Again, the quizzes are either multiple choice or true false. Again, they're very short, and again, they're very important. So make sure you do pay attention when you're taking those classes. And again, welcome to week one. There's a lot of information this week, but I think you'll really get some good use out of it. And again, I look forward to working with each of you throughout the semester. Take care.